May God Almighty keep protecting the genuine content creators out here on YouTube, because I don't understand why people just want to waste some people's efforts. Like just this morning as I was making some videos, right, I noticed on my content detection, I noticed that these channels, you see all these channels here, they went ahead to re-upload my entire video on their channels. Not just that, one of them even went to the extent of impersonating me on his channel. He used my name, Glory C, on his channel, took my profile picture from my WhatsApp page and used as the profile picture there, and uploaded my entire video. Not just that, the person went ahead to use to include paid promotion on that particular video. Like the effrontery, the audacity. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to deal with this particular thing, and I'm going to go ahead and take action. So first of all, let me show you these 4 videos briefly. Okay, let me just show you. Now if you notice something like this is what I'm about to do, is what you want to do on your own channel. So now this is the very first video. Can you notice this particular video that I uploaded just about 3 weeks ago? Look at, the person went ahead to upload the entire video and just merely put an overlay of 4 seconds on the video, and from the beginning to the end it's my video. If you go through the comment section, you see that the guy did not even make reference to the real owner of this channel. Look at, some people are saying, please show me the way. This one said, show us the way, we are ready to learn. And he went ahead to say, okay, I will teach you guys. The person went ahead to copy my entire description. Let's just leave that particular one, okay, for you to know, because I'm going to take different actions for these different videos, and you're going to see the different actions that I'm going to be taking for these different videos, so you can know the exact one you want to take on your video. But first of all, if you notice something like this, you want to go ahead and check to be sure that that particular video is not used within the fair use. Now look at the second video. This one is by YouTube Gurus. Making a lot of money on YouTube because you've been spending a lot on data, on time, effort, and all of that. Can you see? Now let's look at the look, YouTube quick monetization, gets more views, subscribers, blah blah blah. He now puts Glory C. Who cares? See, look at the description. Nothing there shows. Not, in fact, my goodness, my goodness. So look here. Okay, there's no comment on this particular one, but I watched this video from the beginning to the end. This person did not put anything to even make it his. Like, he just uploaded my entire video on his channel. Now this next one, these next 2 videos here are the ones that the channel that actually impersonated me. So let's click on this very first one. Can you see? Can you see? Includes paid promotion. Can you see? It's even a month ago and I did not realize. Look at the name of the channel, Glory C. He now made it in caps lock. Look at my profile picture here. It's a profile picture that I have on my WhatsApp page. You see that there are people that, if you don't want to help people in this life, sometimes some people will feel like, oh, this person is being wicked. But there are things that our eyes have seen that just make us to be somewhat reserved in some areas. Okay, look at the description. Look at the description. Can you see? Everything I used, everything. The person even went ahead to use the same September 13th class that I said I was going to use. Like, the effrontery is what I'm just wondering about. Look at the exact description. Like, don't you have sense, common sense or something? Okay, so let's go back. Of course, I'm going to take different actions for these different videos, okay, and you will know the reason. I'm going to tell you the reason I'm taking those different actions. Look at the next one. This same person that impersonated me, and this is the way some people will go about telling people this is Glory C when it's not Glory C that is saying something. That's that people will go and start scamming people. Okay, that's the reason I'm making a video on this, so that nobody will come and tell you, oh, this is from Glory C when it's not Glory C. Look at the next one. Includes paid promotion 1 month ago, and I did not know. So that's why it's very good for you to be checking with your content detection. Very, very important. I did not even know. In fact, it's just because of the tutorial I was taking today. I was teaching people something on how to even protect your channel, not knowing that my own channel self needs protection. Look at it. He even, in fact, I think he even used my exact title, like exactly what I used. Exactly, like exactly my exact description. Can you see? Can you imagine, even the disclaimer that I used, the person also went ahead to use it. Now when you want to appeal, when you want to, I mean, take action, you can decide to take action on everything at once. That's bulk action, or you take it one at a time. So for this one, I'm going to be taking it one at a time. So because they all have different implications. So this first one, what if you want to take action, just tap on the box in front. So once you tap on the box, you can see archive, request removal, and contact channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on request removal. Okay, so for this particular person, I want to give the person 7 days to take down my video. You can see, if you look down here, you're going to see removal action 7 days. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and fill all these details. It's going to show you your real video and then the video the person actually copyrighted. Okay, so this is my own real video. Wow, see how much YouTube paid me for this, not clickbait, blah blah blah. So I'll just come here. You can see where it says affected party. If you tap on it, you see myself. You also see my company, organization, or client. So if yours is an individual channel, you want to go ahead and put yourself. If it's for a company or organization, however it is, follow the right thing. You can see here the copyright owner name. You want to put your channel name there. Where you can see copyright owner name, just put your own channel there. Put your phone number. Usually they would keep it confidential, so you don't need to be scared. Your email address, your secondary email, your relationship to the copyrighted content. It's your video and all of that. So in fact, if you don't even understand exactly what to type in, you can go ahead and use ChatGPT to type in. I'm also going to use ChatGPT. I'm not even going to lie. So you want to go to country, put your country there, put your street address, put your city, put all of those things. Now when it comes to removal option, let me also let you know something. If you're already monetized on your channel, you can decide to make money from that particular video that the person is using. So whatever revenue that person is making is going to be directed to your own channel, depending on how the person used your video. Okay, so if you go here, you can decide to put 7 day notice. If you send a 7 day notice, okay, once the request is validated by YouTube will give the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't remove the video is going to be removed after 7 days, and that means a copyright strike automatically on that person's channel. Now the next one, standard request removal now. So this particular one, these removals can lead to a copyright strike. YouTube processes the video removal after validating the request. So it depends on you. If you want to give that person a notice, fine. If you want that video to be taken down immediately, and it depends on, because you might be asking, oh, which one should I do? Do not use emotions here. It just depends. Well, I think I'm using emotion for some, but it depends. There are some that you just know. If the person had uploaded your entire video, please just request removal immediately. Now this one said prevent future copies of this content from appearing on YouTube. Of course, you want to tick that particular part so that no other person will have the rights to use your video. Do you understand? So you can see here, if your takedown request is valid, YouTube will try to prevent new uploads from appearing on the platform. You want to go ahead and read all this one that says I certify that I have worldwide exclusive rights to the content. Of course, as long as you are sure it's your content the person replicating. Me, I'm very sure. So you have the authority here. Then legal agreement, you want to go ahead and sign this. Your signature would be your full name. It's usually your first name and your last name. So here it says make sure that your signature, okay, so and your signature the name you should use should be the way it is on a government issued ID, because YouTube will not be able to process your request without that particular info. So for this particular video, I'm going to give this person a 7 days notice. Why? Because I just want the person not to have a copyright strike on his or her channel. Okay, that's just what I'm going to do. But let's go back to this one. This particular one here, this woman being that had the F13 to use my own name, use my own picture, that is theft. Like, that is fraud. I don't even know what else to use. That is fraud. That is a criminal offense. So what I'm going to do, this particular one, what I'm just going to simply sorry, let me go back. What I'm going to do for this particular one is an immediate takedown notice. Like, I'm going to tell YouTube to take it down immediately. Now another thing is, if you tick on that particular video, let's assume you want to contact that channel first. You can just tap on this place that says contact channel. Then you're going to see you put your email address here. Your email address will be shared with that particular person that uploaded your video. Okay, so you're going to see subject copyright notification regarding this. Okay, hey, hi Glory C. You are, of course, the person is not Glory C, but the person impersonated you. Hi Glory C. Another YouTube channel noticed their content in a video that you uploaded. So this particular one is what YouTube is going to send to that particular person. Okay, after watching this video, you want to just go straight to your content detection and check it to be sure that everything is right on your channel, to be sure that your channel is safe. All right guys, so thank you very much for watching this one. Do not forget to watch this particular video where I shared a lot of vital information that will help you on your channel. Guys, I didn't even do my introduction. My name is Glory C, and I help small and new content creators to grow the right way on YouTube. So if this sounds like something you want for your channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.